Okay, now it's time for us to read a text titled The Farmer. It's an informational text. Remember, informational texts provide information about a place. It could be about a person or it could be about a thing. That's what informational texts do. They provide information about something. Before you get started, make sure you have the book, and it should look just like this. It's titled The Farmer, as well as your worksheet and your pencil. Once you have those things in place, you may move on. The strategies that we will be using today is rereading. Remember, rereading is when you go back if you don't understand something and you reread it again, or you listen to me reread. As you reread, you go back and look for key details in the story, as well as the main topic in which the story is about. As you're reading, you will see the word he quite frequently. When you read the word he and see the word he, what Miss Jones would like for you to do is frame the word he as you see it. Let's move on.
The Farmer by Carolyn Lee, illustrated by Jenny Snape. He sells red apples.
At this point, let me remind you that Miss Jones would like to see you frame the word he. Here's the word he at the beginning of the sentence. He, he.
He sells red peppers.
Again, we need to frame the word he, which is right here at the beginning of the sentence. Let's reread the sentence so that we can find out what he sells.
He sells red peppers. He sells red grapes. He sells red potatoes. He sells red tomatoes. He sells red berries. He sells red flowers.
Okay, now that we have come to the end of the text, what I would like for you to do is talk with your partner about the text. And we're answering the question, what does the farmer sell? Let's go back and reread to see some of the things that the farmer sells to help you to share with your partner. Here, when we go back and reread, it states,
He sells red berries.
so as I reread, I find out that he sells red berries. Also,
He sells red flowers.
when I went back and reread, I discovered that he sells red flowers. Keep in mind, when you reread, you go back and you read it again to help you to understand the information that's given in the text. Please share with your partner some of the other things that the farmer sells. Keep in mind, while your partner is sharing, you are listening. When your partner is finished sharing, it will be your turn to share, and your partner will be listening. Now it's time for you to get your worksheet, and you're going to draw a picture of things that grow on a farm. Again, you're going to draw a picture of things that grow on a farm. After you draw a picture of what grows on your farm at the top of your worksheet, you're going to write a sentence. Here's our sentence right here, which is also on your paper. You have a blank here, and this is where you need to fill in the sentence. And your sentence will say something like, berries grow on a farm. So you're going to pick what you know based on how you went back and reread the story to find out what grew on the farm, and you're going to pick your word here of something that grow on the farm. Please make certain that your picture matches your sentence. Keep in mind, at the end of the sentence, you have a punctuation mark, and this punctuation mark is a period. If you have questions, please make certain that you raise your hand and you let Miss Jones know if you need help. Once you are done, please make sure all of your tools are put back in place, and then you may move on to the next task. Thank you.
You're doing all this at the wrong time.